Have you ever wondered which countries offer the most unforgettable experiences in Africa? From the majestic wildlife of Kenya to the ancient wonders of Egypt, Africa is a continent brimming with diverse cultures, stunning landscapes, and vibrant cities. But before we delve into our list of the top 5 countries to visit, which cities or countries have you had the pleasure of exploring in Africa? Share your experiences in the comments below and let us know which ones left a lasting impression on you. Now, let's embark on a journey through Africa's most captivating destinations. Number 5. South Africa. Our journey begins in South Africa, a country known for its breathtaking landscapes, diverse wildlife, and vibrant culture. Explore the cosmopolitan city of Cape Town, visit the iconic Table Mountain, and indulge in world-class wine tasting in the Cape Winelands. Experience the thrill of a safari in Kruger National Park, spot whales along the Garden Route, and immerse yourself in the rich history of Johannesburg. With its diverse attractions and warm hospitality, South Africa is a must-visit destination for any traveler exploring Africa. Number 4. Morocco. Next up, we have Morocco, a country where ancient traditions blend seamlessly with modern influences. Explore the bustling streets of Marrakesh, visit the historic Medina of Fez, and camp under the stars in the Sahara Desert. Experience the country's rich cultural heritage through traditional music and dance performances. Explore the vibrant souks, and indulge in delicious Moroccan cuisine. With its stunning architecture, vibrant markets, and warm hospitality, Morocco offers travelers an unforgettable experience unlike any other. Number 3. Kenya. Moving on to Kenya, a country known for its spectacular wildlife and breathtaking landscapes. Embark on a safari adventure in the Masai Mara National Reserve, witness the Great Migration, and visit the iconic Mount Kilimanjaro. Explore the vibrant city of Nairobi, visit traditional Maasai villages, and relax on the pristine beaches of the Kenyan coast. With its diverse wildlife, stunning scenery, and rich cultural heritage, Kenya is a destination that will leave a lasting impression on every traveler. Number 2. Egypt. Next on our list is Egypt, a country steeped in history, culture, and ancient wonders. Explore the iconic pyramids of Giza, cruise along the Nile River, and marvel at the temples of Luxor and Karnak. Visit the bustling markets of Cairo, explore the underwater world of the Red Sea, and relax on the beautiful beaches of the Sinai Peninsula. Experience the country's rich cultural heritage through traditional music and dance performances, and immerse yourself in the timeless beauty of Egypt's historic sites. Number 1. Tanzania. Rounding out our list is Tanzania, a country known for its stunning wildlife, pristine beaches, and breathtaking landscapes. Embark on a safari adventure in the Serengeti National Park, witness the annual wildebeest migration, and climb to the summit of Mount Kilimanjaro. Explore the idyllic beaches of Zanzibar, visit traditional Maasai villages, and experience the rich culture of Tanzania's diverse ethnic groups. With its diverse attractions and warm hospitality, Tanzania offers travelers an unforgettable journey through one of Africa's most captivating countries. There you have it, our top 5 countries to visit in Africa. Whether you're exploring the wildlife-rich plains of the Serengeti, experiencing the ancient wonders of Egypt, or indulging in the vibrant culture of Morocco, Africa offers travelers a diverse array of experiences just waiting to be discovered. Have you had the pleasure of visiting any of these countries? Share your experiences in the comments below and let us know your favorite memories and recommendations. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching and happy travels!